Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate Twilio with Gohighlevel so you can start sending SMS and making calls directly from your CRM. Let's dive in. First of all, go to www.twilio.com and sign up for a free account. Verify your email and phone number. Once inside the Twilio dashboard, get your account SID, authentication token, and a Twilio phone number. You will need this for Gohighlevel. Now let's connect Twilio to Gohighlevel. Log into your Gohighlevel account. Click on Settings in the left sidebar. Go to phone system, then click Twilio, copy your Twilio account SID and authentication token from Twilio and paste them into Gohighlevel. Then click Save to complete the integration. And that's it. You have successfully connected Twilio to Gohighlevel for seamless communication. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.